Greetings, CM1, and welcome to Lesson 14. We are still on Unit 3 and continuing with our theme, Do you like spicy food? Please repeat. Do you like spicy food? Okay, that is our theme. I'm going to play an introduction video. It's a song, okay? So it's an introduction song, and this song is the food song by Barbara Lika. That is the artist, okay? So you're going to listen to the song about food. Listen carefully, and then I'm going to ask you some questions after you finish listening to the song, okay? Right, so the song is about a little over 2 minutes, okay? It doesn't even come up to 3 minutes. It's a very, very short song. Okay, so here are the questions from the song introduction video. I'm also going to type them for you on your homework. Okay, number 1 question. The first line of the song, what kind of day did she have? And how many plates did she serve herself? The first line of the song, what kind of day did she have? And how many plates did she serve herself? Okay, all right. Number 2, how does she wonder her week to be? How does she wonder her week to be? Okay, so all the answers are in the song. And question 3, what does she deserve to give herself? What does she deserve to give herself? So you do all your answers in full sentences, please. Okay. Question 4, what does sadness taste like? What does sadness taste like? Okay, good. Right. So 5, what does anger taste like? Please remember to answer in full sentences. Anger tastes like, by listening to the song, you'll find the answer. Okay. Number 5, what does anger taste like? Okay. Question 6, when she had a bad night, what did she eat? When she had a bad night, what did she eat? Okay. Question 7, what does she take the spoon and puts it in? Okay. What does she take the spoon and puts it in? Okay. Where does she put the spoon? Okay, simple terms. Okay, number 8. What tastes like noodles? What tastes like noodles? Number 9. When she circles the block, what's starting to speak to her? When she circles the block, what's starting to speak to her? And number 10, which is the last question, what does crazy taste like? What does crazy taste like? Okay, so it doesn't make sense, right? But as you listen to the song, the questions are gonna make sense. Okay, so the new word we learned from the song is stuffed. In the end of the song, she says, I'm stuffed. S-T-U-F-F-E-D. What does stuffed means? She means I am full. It means full. In other words, her stomach is full because she had all of that food. So in the end of the song, she says, I'm stuffed, okay? So that is the new word we learned today. Stuffed means I am full. My stomach is full. Okay, great job. All right, now let's go to our books. Let's go to our books. And turn to page 18. Okay, student books, turn to page 18. And page 18, we already did number 1 and number 2. So, and we did number 3 as well, I believe. Okay, so we did 18 already. My mistake. Okay, so now we are going to be doing page 19. Page 19, we are doing listening, right? We are doing listening. So already we looked at the 3 menus from the 3 foods. Okay, right. You're going to do number 2 and 3. You're going to listen and look at the pictures. Which restaurants are they in? So we have A, B, C. You have to say what restaurants are these? What restaurants are they in? Okay, so that one is very easy. And then you do number 3. Number 3, you're going to have to go to the online book and press the listening for page 19. Okay, listen, and then the people are in the restaurants, they are doing their orders of the food. So you listen and circle the food that they order. Circle the food that they order, right? Okay, so that's 3, that's 2, and then 3. And then 4, 2 and 3. Let's see, listening plus. Okay, no, you don't do 4. You don't have to do 4, which is listening plus. It's not necessary. Okay, so then we're going to turn to the next page, page 20, and we are going to do the reading, right? Going to do the reading. Okay, and our reading is eating out, eating out. So the first time, professor is going to read, you're just going to listen. And then the second time, I will read and you will repeat. Okay, all right, let's look at this reading. It's in our book, student book. Eating out in Seoul. Okay, so just by looking at the article and the pictures before we read, what do we think it's about? We can see some type of restaurants, and here some restaurants. We can see maybe this is kimchi, and we can see the city of Seoul. So what do you think this is about? And we see the title of the reading. Yeah, it's about probably eating in Seoul, right? Okay, all right. Okay, now I'm going to read. Please listen carefully. Okay. Eating out in Seoul. Kimchi is Korea's best known food. It's made from cabbage, chili peppers, and vegetables. Korean restaurants serve it at almost every meal. It's difficult to describe. There are so many different types. Seoul has great restaurants, but there is also cheap